Can Bitcoin be used for payments? Bitcoin, as a digital asset, can currently be used for payments in some countries, such as Japan and Germany. Most merchants accept the Bitcoins indirectly through third-party payment agencies, where buyers pay Bitcoins for purchases. The third-party agencies receive the Bitcoins and immediately converts them to fiat money. The merchant receives fiat money instead of Bitcoins, and this practice of the merchant limiting the transaction to the third-party platform makes it possible to make the transaction without actually transferring money. Bitcoin is simply a change in the number of assets on both sides, making the instant transfer of Bitcoins a reality. Paying with Bitcoins is a simple operation, usually by using the Bitcoin wallet on your phone and scanning the QR code, or clicking on the Bitcoin address to jump to the PC client for payment, which can be different from online payments such as WeChat, Alipay. To pay with Bitcoins, the real-time exchange rate of Bitcoin will be displayed after scanning the code, and the buyer and seller will confirm before making the payment.